MC10 from Otis delivers unrelenting protection in temperatures from -65 to 650 degrees, so you can prepare your firearm for the world's most punishing conditions, and it only takes a few steps. After ensuring your firearm is unloaded, disassemble it. Apply MC10 cleaner to all moving parts and wipe them down until all existing oils and solvents are gone. Then, saturate the provided gun cloth with 4 to 6 sprays of MC10 lubricant and thoroughly apply it to all moving parts of your gun. To leave behind a heavy layer, spray MC10 lubricant directly onto moving parts. After you've applied MC10, reassemble your firearm and do a function check to help spread the lubricant throughout the action of your gun. If you want to start fresh, reapply MC10 cleaner to remove built-up lubricant, carbon, and fouling. With these steps, you can protect the accuracy and operation of your gun against the most extreme elements in just minutes. Because when it comes to your firearm, failure is not an option.